High yield savings accounts. Best rates in 2025. You're losing $50 a month by keeping your emergency fund in a regular savings account. Not $50 a year. $50 every single month. And most people have no idea this is happening. That's $600 a year just evaporating. Over 5 years? $3,000 gone. For doing absolutely nothing different except moving your money to the right place. I'm going to show you exactly which high-yield savings accounts are crushing it right now in 2025. How much money you're actually leaving on the table. And why big banks are literally counting on you not knowing this. Let's go. Part 1. The problem nobody's talking about. Chase, Bank of America, Wells Fargo. These massive banks are offering you 0.01% APY on savings accounts. That's not a typo. 0.01%. Here's what that means in real numbers. You've got $10,000 sitting in their savings account. After 1 year, you earn $1. One single dollar. Meanwhile, your money is being loaned out by that bank at 8, 9, sometimes 10% interest rates to other customers. They're making thousands of dollars on your money. You're making $1. This isn't a conspiracy. It's business. But you don't have to accept it. High-yield savings accounts are FDIC insured just like your bank. Your money is protected. You have full access. But you're earning 400 to 500 times more interest. I'm not exaggerating. Right now in January 2025, the best high-yield savings accounts are paying between 4.8% and 5.35% APY. That same $10,000? You're making $400 to $530 per year. That's the difference between $1 and $500. On the same $10,000. Same protection. Same access. Part 2. The top accounts actually worth your time. Let me break down the accounts that are actually competitive right now. Marcus by Goldman Sachs is sitting at 4.85% APY right now. No monthly fees. No minimum balance. You can open an account, deposit money, and access it whenever you want. Goldman Sachs is a legitimate institution. And your money is FDIC insured up to $250,000. American Express Personal Savings is at 4.9% APY. Same deal. No fees. No minimums. Amex isn't just a credit card company anymore. Their savings product is legitimately competitive. Ally Bank is offering 4.83% APY with the same structure. These three are the safest picks if you want household names you recognize. But here's where it gets interesting. Smaller online banks are pushing even higher. Wealthfront Cash Account is hitting 5.35% APY as of this week. Schwab Bank is at 4.85% with checking and savings integrated. Betterment is matching Wealthfront at 5.35%. Now, here's the honest truth. These rates change weekly, sometimes daily. The exact order doesn't matter as much as understanding that anything between 4.8% and 5.35% is crushing it compared to 0.01%. Pick one. Open it today. You'll earn roughly $480 to $535 per year on $10,000. Part 3. The strategy that actually works. Here's where most people mess up. They think a high-yield savings account is for investing. It's not. This is for your emergency fund. 3 to 6 months of expenses. Not your retirement money. Not your investment capital. Your emergency fund. Your emergency fund needs to be liquid, accessible, and safe. High-yield savings checks all 3 boxes. You're not getting rich from 5% interest. That's not the point. The point is, your emergency fund shouldn't be earning 0% while sitting in a regular bank. Now, for retirement and long-term investing? That's different. You want your money in a Roth IRA or 401k invested in index funds like the S&P 500. That's where the real wealth builds over decades. But your emergency fund sitting in a HYSA? That's making you 5% risk-free while you build the rest of your portfolio. Here's the action plan. Open a HYSA this week. Move your emergency fund into it. That's it. You're done. Money sits there earning 5% while you sleep. If you have $50,000 in emergency savings, you're making about $2,500 a year. If you have $100,000, $2,500 per year. That's money you're literally earning while watching this video. Call to action. This is the difference between doing personal finance right and doing it wrong. The right account, the right rate, the same amount of work, completely different results. Open a high-yield savings account today. Your future self is going to thank you. If this video helped you understand where your emergency fund should actually live, hit subscribe. We're breaking down the real money moves that work in 2025. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.